Experience the tried and true performance of the Fill-Rite FR300 series, a cornerstone in fluid transfer solutions. Fill-Rite's FR300 series is engineered to meet your high-performing daily demands. Whether it's construction, transportation, agriculture, or fleet, when reliability is non-negotiable, the FR300 series stands tall. Powered by a dual-voltage AC motor, you can conveniently select the right voltage during installation with a simple switch. The FR300 series is Fill-Rite's fastest pump. With a flow rate of 35 gallons per minute, it easily fills a 300-gallon tank in under 9 minutes. It is designed for diesel, biodiesel, up to B20, and other fuels. Manufactured in the USA, it offers features that provide the reliability you demand in a fuel transfer pump. Heavy-duty cast iron construction provides unmatched durability, withstanding the harshest conditions. The FR300's UL-listed, thermally protected motor prevents overheating, ensuring your pump performs for years without worry. And its rotary vane technology self-adjusts for wear, maintaining day-one efficiency and performance throughout its entire lifetime. The intake strainer blocks debris, ensuring that only fuel enters the pump. This series is available with a variety of accessories, so you can match it to suit your specific application's needs. And if your Fill-Rite pump ever needs maintenance or service, we proudly stand behind our products with an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty and a full line of replacement parts. The choice is easy. Trust the red Fill-Rite FR300 series to be your fuel transfer solution.